I just installed the aosu home wireless CCTV camera system, and within 2 days, it captured my daughter sneaking out at night. Busted. I'm pretty excited about the product that I'm going to be reviewing for you today. This is the aosu complete 4-camera home video surveillance system. 100% wireless, no batteries to ever have to worry about changing, and you can access this video from anytime, anywhere. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I already had a recommended wireless home video camera system. In fact, it's installed on this house right here. So why am I looking at another product? Well, one main reason. The manufacturer that installed this product removed their free storage, so you can no longer watch remotely live video feeds or video captured on your system. You can only watch it if you're on the same network as the cameras. You know me, I don't like that. I like one and done. I want to pay for it once and get the value forever. I don't want to have to pay a monthly subscription fee. With the aosu product, everything comes in one box. I get remote access from anywhere at no additional cost, and I don't have to worry about shopping components together because it's all in the same box. Now, you may remember I installed a aosu wireless video doorbell camera, and I loved it. I love the features. I love the quality of the video. It is my favorite wireless video doorbell camera. I'll put a link to that product down below in case you're shopping for something like that. But right now I'm going to go off, I'm going to get this product installed on the home, and then we'll come back and we'll take a look at the features and see how it works out. All of the mounting brackets seem to be plastic. Now I'm in Arizona, it's 120-degree heat, so I'm going to mount them to keep everything out of the direct sun. Now, I've had this system installed for about a week. I've tested several of its capabilities. I'm very impressed with the aosu wireless home CCTV camera system. It's a true 2K image. Let's take a look at some video and cover some of the features that you get in these wireless CCTV cameras. A quick note on installation, it worked out of the box. All the cameras were already programmed to the hub, and I was set up and ready to go in a matter of minutes. I got the system fully installed, 4 cameras with their solar panels in about an hour and 15 minutes. Now, I have some experience there, so it might take you a little longer, but I didn't have any issues with that. Let's take a look at the camera that I have in the backyard and take a look at that live feed. You can see I have a very nice field of view. In fact, you get 166% field of view. So that's basically, here's 180. You're seeing everything directly left and directly right. You're getting 166. So you're capturing almost everything in front of that camera. This is the live image out of my porch camera, and you have the capability to zoom in, and you can see that the quality of that image stays very, very good. Even when I'm zoomed in, it allows you to pan and do things like that. And it is a very good image. I'm very impressed with the real true 2K quality. On the live image, you have several capabilities. One of them is you could talk through the camera to someone who's standing there, and it has a disguise your voice feature. So maybe you're a female at home, you don't want somebody to know that you're home alone and you're female, it'll actually make you sound like a male. You have the ability to sound an alarm on the camera. You can cut and snap an image of what's going on exactly at that moment and save a picture to your phone. You have the ability to go in and look at the history of the camera. It's very well organized. You can simply just scroll through by day and see all the screen captures that were made. Now, the aosu home CCTV wireless system can capture and store up to 4 months of video. And again, that's video you can access remotely at any time. There are no monthly fees associated with this when you use the hub and you get that 4 months of video storage. However, all your video is stored locally. That's a concern for you. They do offer cloud recording for as little as 12 cents a day. So you can have cloud storage if you desire it, but it's absolutely not necessary for this wireless home CCTV system to have it. All your video accessible from your phone at any time. You can see the solar panels are charging all of my cameras. They're working beautifully, and you can see the images of all 4 of my cameras, which I've named by location, in real time. I'm going to go into the actual settings at this point. So you can enable or disable motion detection. You can also be specific and say, hey, only trigger when it's roughly the size of a human. So if you're putting it someplace where there's car traffic or you have pets, you can restrict the motion sensing. You have the ability to add detection zones. So if you're placing your camera somewhere where maybe it's capturing the sidewalk movement or street movement, you can actually go in and add a zone and say only detect images within this particular zone. And you can move that zone around to specify where you want it to trigger. The alerts that it gives you are actually pretty smart. So when it alerts you, it'll tell you if somebody is lingering there, if somebody appeared there or crossed the path there, or if there's movement there. So it has some smart intelligence on the alerts that it's actually giving you. One of the questions we often get is, can you share the video? With the aosu wireless home CCTV system, you can indeed share the video. You invite somebody from email, they create the account on their phone, they're able to check your live video, they're able to get alerts on their phone and get event playback as well. This supports Alexa and Google. If you want to view a live image of the camera on your Amazon video screen, you just say, Alexa, show side.
Okay.
And it brings up that image very clear. One of the things this camera does is at night it has 2 lighting options. It can actually emit a bright light, sort of like a flashlight, on the person that it is caught on camera. And that'll give you nighttime color images, or you can rely on the infrared and get nighttime black and white images. I tried them both. They both worked beautifully. The other setting that I wanted to cover real quick in smart security is you can set modes for the cameras, how you want the aosu wireless CCTV video cameras to work when you're not at home and how you want them to work when you are at home, as well as you can disable the entire system with the touch of a button. That's ideal if you're having a party or maybe it's Halloween and you don't want the system triggering every time somebody walks up to your porch, and then you can turn all the devices on at one time as well. Overall, this system has performed beautifully. I don't think you can go wrong picking it up off of Amazon. I'll put a link to that Amazon product down below. About the only ding for this product that I can think of is some of the mounting hardware appears to be plastic. I just made sure to mount them in an area where they were not going to get hit by direct sunlight. The aosu Home wireless video camera system is a good system. I think its price point is fantastic for what you're getting in a 4-camera system. Consider this system if you're looking for video cameras. I'm Robert, you've been watching Locksmith Recommended.